Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. In this video lecture, you will learn how to choose your domain name and web hosting for less money. If you are planning to start up your online blog or creating a new website, finding a good name and web hosting is very crucial. But choosing a right domain is helpful for the business. You have to take care of your web hosting while choosing them. So don't worry, here I will explain you how you can do all these things. So let's start over here. A domain name is a unique name that identifies a website. For example, the domain name www.something.com or whatever it's in .net, whatever extension is there, it will locate on the internet address for that particular extension and a particular host server. On the web, the domain name is that part of uniform resource locator that's called URL. Let's tell a domain name server using the domain name system whether and where to forward a request for a web page. The domain name is mapped to an IP address which represents a physical point on the internet. Web hosting refers to a service that puts your website on the internet. In other words, it makes your website available to user. In general, most websites are intended to be viewed by anyone on the internet at any time. If you want anyone on the internet to be able to view your website or a blog at any time, you need to make sure your website is running on a computer which is connected to the internet 24 hours per day. Choosing the right hosting company for your website can be a difficult one, especially if you have a little experience in this domain. Whether you need to choose a hosting service, I think most of us will look at price first and then at host specification packages. Although the price is also an important factor, however, it should not be the first. It is important to choose a professional web hosting service for your website as a long-term result that will be influenced by the quality of these services. Here are some criteria that will help you make the best choice of hosting company and packages and that will be best suited for your needs. Some of the key points to keep in mind are how to manage bandwidth limitations, data security and information, support services, reliability, number of accounts per server, security, email features.